My dear students, welcome to the World Literature. Today, I would like to narrate a story written by Rudyard Kipling. The title of the story is How a Camel Got His Hump. Dear students, you may know that all the camels have a hump on their back. What do you think on how a camel got his hump? Here is an interesting story written by Rudyard Kipling on how a camel got his hump. Just watch the video. In the beginning of the earth, animals just started to work for man. There was a camel who lived in a desert along with other animals. All other animals worked so hard, but this camel did not do anything and lived in idleness by eating sticks, thorns, tangles, milkweed and prickles. If any animal asks him anything, he replies, hump, hump. One day, a horse approached with a saddle on his back and a bit on his mouth and said, Camel, oh camel, come out and trot like the rest of us. The camel said, hump, hump. Horse walked to his master and said everything. After some time, a dog came to him. He was on his way to his work. He has a stick in his mouth. The dog said to Camel, Oh dear Camel, come and fetch the things like this. Hump, hump, Camel said. The dog bent and explained everything to his master. After some time, an ox also came there. He was carrying a yoke on his neck and said, O camel, come and plow with us. But the camel replied, Hump, hump. The ox went to the master and said everything to him. At the end of the day, the man arranged a meeting for dog, horse, and ox. He said to them, 3 or 3, the hump no longer will be here. I will set him free and allow him to be alone. So you 3 have to do the double work to manage his absence. All 3 animals became angry by hearing this, and they held a palaver and a powwow at the edge of the desert. At this time, they saw the camels approaching them by chewing the milkweed. He looked at them and laughed and said, Hum. Then he walked away. At this time, Dejin, the in charge of all deserts, went to that way and saw the powwow of 3 animals and stopped there. Dejin joined with the meeting. The horse looked at him and asked, Dejin of all deserts, is it right for anyone to be idle? No, not at all, Dejin replied. All the 3 animals, ox, horse, and dog, shared their bitter experience about camel to Dejin. Dejin thought for a while, then decided to visit Camel. Degen wandered throughout the desert and searched for the camel. He saw that the camel is watching his reflection from a pool of water. Degen approached the camel and asked, "My dear friend, what I am hearing about you? I just heard you are idle and not doing anything when all others are working so hard." "Hum, hum," the camel said. Degen wants to make a positive change in him. He said to the camel, "I shouldn't say that again if I were you. I want you to work." Degen continued. "Hum," the camel repeated again. But no sooner he had said it, he saw his back through the reflection. It was puffing up and puffing up into a big lolloping hump. Degen said to Camel, "Did you see that hump? You got this hump through your laziness. From now, you are going to work." "How can I work with this hump?" Camel asked. "From Monday to Wednesday, you didn't do any work. So from now, you have to continuously work for 3 days without eating anything, and this hump will help you to live." Degen continued. Dear children, when God created you, you became the most precious treasure of your parents. But each time when you became idle and not doing your work properly, you are creating a hump on your back. A hump of disobedience, a hump of not reading, a hump of anger and hatred. One day, God will evaluate all your merits and demerits. Based on that, you will be awarded with a good professional and family life. So work hard and achieve your future.